What's up, Kia 2 Technical? As you can see, I have a package from Ringke, and I want to say thank you, Ringke, for finally being able to send me some of your products. I love Ringke cases. So pretty much this just says, hello Kia, thank you for giving us an opportunity to send you our accessories for the newly released Galaxy S23 Ultra. We hope you enjoy. Ringke. I know I will, but disclaimer, this is the dummy S23 Ultra. As you know, I currently do not have the S23 Ultra at the moment, but I'm still thinking about getting it later this year or later on as the months go on. I just want to see if they have any better deals coming up later. So pretty much we're just going to unbox these. I'm going to show you what they look like on your S23 Ultra, but using the dummy version that I have here. So we're just going to unbox everything like so. I had no idea that this was coming, so this is very, very special, and it was a surprise. So you get live a better day. This is a Ringke phone strap. That's nice. You also get a clear case from Ringke. This is also nice. So pretty much I will just show you these, and then I will probably end up putting these aside for whenever I do get the device, because I do already have a lot of cases already. So I'll probably get the device later on this year as the months go by. So we have another, this is a glitter clear case from Ringke. We have an ultra clear case from Ringke. Okay, Ringke. Got this little floral case from Ringke. We also have the stone from Ringke, and then you also have the deep purple from Ringke. So let's cut it open like so. Let's see what it looks like, but just remember, this is the dummy version, so I will not be able to use any of the buttons because they are not pushable, because this is not the real device. But I could still check out the cases even though I do not have the real device, just to give you a little show if you wanted to pick up these cases for yourself. And in the description I will have a link to where you can pick these up for yourself. So pull all of this plastic off like so. And Ringke makes nice cases, so I'm very excited for this. So pretty much this is how this floral case will look on your S23 Ultra. You will have nice cutouts. So this is really nice because you get a cutout for each camera, so it's not just one open cutout, and I really do like that. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you're good to go. So pretty much at the top here you do get a cutout for your speaker, for your microphone. Get your volume, your power button, your volume up and down button, as you can see. Then you get access for your lanyard. If you wanted to throw this lanyard on there, you could do that. Then it does say Ringke. It says Ringke. Then at the bottom here you get all the cutouts for your USB charging port, for your microphone, and for your S Pen. Then over here you do get nothing. You get another lanyard hole over here. And on the back, like I said, you get those different cutouts for your camera. Overall, this looks nice. I think this will look real good if you add the cream color device, and that is the device I do plan on getting whenever I do decide to get the S23 Ultra. So now let's move on to, let's do all of the clear cases first. So now let's do the glitter clear. So this is for people that wants their case to have a little glitter, that glitter effect to it. You can have that. So let's open this up like so. Okay, this looks and feels nice. This is kind of squishy, not as hard as the other one, but this is what the glitter clear looks like. That really looks nice, as you can see here. So now you do get access to, this is the Ringke Clear. This is the case I usually go for when I do buy Ringke devices. You get your power button, your volume up and down button. You do get access to your microphone. On this side you get your lanyard cutout, as you can see. The bottom here, you get all your ports, USB, your speaker, your S Pen. It looks nice. Over here, you do get all the nice cutouts for that camera, and if you lay your phone flat down on the table, on the back, you're good to go, and if you laid it front down on the top, you are good to go. So now, we are going to do these cases. So this is the deep purple. This is deep purple. Ooh, I like how this looks, and I like the way this feel. I really love Ringke cases, and I do buy Ringke cases for majority of my devices if they're supported. So if you have the S23 Ultra, you could get yourself the Ringke deep purple case, and you have nice buttons. The buttons are a little different on this case, but they're nice. Cutouts for your power button, your volume up button. Headphone jack. This says Ringke. At the bottom here, you do get access to your USB charger port, your speaker, your S Pen. Overall, this does look and feel good. This has some grip to it. It feels grippy. If you place your phone down flat on the table, you're good to go. If you place it flat on the back, you should be good to go. So now we're going to do the final case, which is going to be the Sandstone Case. Okay, this one feels different. It's a soft feeling coating. I like this case, but I feel like this case may get dirty. That case may get dirty. So if you're out there, be careful when you're buying this case, because this case may get dirty, but overall it does still look and feel good, and this will probably really go good with that cream color device. So whenever I do get it, I will be good to go. With this one, you do have bigger rings around the camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you know your camera is not getting messed up. Nice cutout here. You do get your access to your lanyard loops at the top here. Cutout. Your power button, volume up and down button. At the bottom here, you do get access to your USB charger port, speaker, and your S Pen. Overall, these Ringke cases do look and feel good, and I really do appreciate Ringke for actually sending me out their product. I've been trying to get in touch with Ringke for the longest, but I don't know how they got my information or anything, but hey, I'm glad they actually got contact with me to send me out their products. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.